Looking for a keto plan that's actually tailored to your lifestyle and goals? In this video, we're breaking down the Custom Keto Diet Plan, a program designed to create a fully personalized meal plan based on your preferences and weight loss goals. This approach could make all the difference in helping you stick to keto and see real results. Plus, stay tuned because I'll be sharing a few delicious recipes from the plan that you can start enjoying right away. So what exactly is the Custom Keto Diet Plan? Unlike one-size-fits-all diet plans, Custom Keto Diet builds a unique keto plan just for you, taking your specific needs and tastes into account. Here's how it works. When you click the link to get started, you'll answer a short series of questions, covering everything from your preferred proteins to the types of vegetables and dairy you want in your meals. It even considers your physical activity level, age, height, current weight, and your target weight. All key factors to building a plan that will work effectively for you. Once you've answered the questions, Custom Keto Diet goes to work, generating a complete meal plan that's designed to keep your body in a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy. The plan includes daily meal recipes, complete with ingredient lists and step-by-step instructions, so you can prepare delicious, keto-friendly meals without the guesswork. You'll also get a custom grocery list, making it easy to shop for everything you need each week, and tips for dining out, so you can stay on track no matter where you are. Now let's talk about some of the amazing meals you'll get to enjoy on this plan. Imagine starting your day with satisfying meals like Keto Butter Chicken, packed with rich flavors while staying low-carb, or a honey mustard rotisserie chicken salad that's as tasty as it is nutritious. And if you're a seafood lover, the salmon with chunky basil pesto is a must-try, combining healthy fats with fresh, vibrant flavors. These recipes are just a few examples of the delicious and satisfying meals you can expect, all crafted to support your weight loss journey without feeling deprived. Getting started is easy. Just click the link below to answer a few quick questions, and your custom meal plan will be ready in minutes. Plus, there's no risk in giving it a try, because the Custom Keto Diet offers a full satisfaction guarantee, allowing you to test out the plan and see if it's right for you. So, if you're ready for a keto plan that's designed just for you, with recipes you'll actually look forward to, the Custom Keto Diet Plan could be the perfect fit. Click the link below to begin your custom keto journey today and start enjoying delicious, low-carb meals that work with your lifestyle and goals. See you on the inside!